Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping and melting correctly. This step determines texture. Chop 200 g chocolate into 0.5 1 cm pieces so heat distributes evenly. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Keep the water at about 80 degrees so the chocolate melts gently. Stir frequently with a silicone spatula to avoid hot spots and watch the thermometer. Once the chocolate reaches about 45 degrees for dark or 40 degrees for milk, remove from heat, because immediate tempering follows to set the shine and snap. Once the chocolate is off heat, you must temper it for stable chips. Pour 2/3 onto a cool surface or into a cool bowl and stir until it drops to 27 degrees 28 degrees for dark chocolate. This aligns crystals. Make sure to scrape in the seeded portion, then return to the warm bowl and gently reheat to 31 degrees 32 degrees. That final heat locks the structure. Transfer the tempered chocolate to a piping bag, squeeze with steady pressure, and practice a few dots on parchment to control size before piping the batch. Finish by piping uniform 5/8 mm chips onto parchment. Keep about 1 cm between pieces for cooling air. Let them set at cool room temperature 18 degrees 20 degrees for 20-30 minutes. In humid kitchens, chill briefly 5-10 minutes to firm but avoid condensation. Once set, store in an airtight container. If you see white bloom, dullness, or streaking, don't despair. Retemper the chocolate and make a small test batch. That corrects unstable crystals and prevents repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.